Hi guys, welcome to Tiana Imagination channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make Ahi Poke. First thing first, we're gonna cut fish. We're gonna cut it in a cube so that we can make poke. My fish is just a frozen fish, so we're just gonna cut it in the cube. It doesn't have to be too big, doesn't have to be too small. It depends on like how do you like. I like it medium size. Some people like it really big, some people do like it really small. So this is how I like. Alright. So ahi, tuna, and we're gonna need a little bit sea salt, a little bit shoyu, and a little bit sesame seed. Alright, so let's do it. Okay, sea salt and sesame seed a little bit, and a little bit of chili oil, and also a little bit of the sesame seed oil, about 1 tablespoon, and soy sauce, about half tablespoon. Good, because we have sea salt in it, we don't need much soy sauce. It's gonna be look like this, and after we mix it, we're gonna use a little bit of the seaweed to garnish. I also like onion and green onion in it, so I'm gonna put some onion. A little bit of onion and a little bit of green onion. So good, guys, so good. This is how it's gonna be look like. So this is Hawaiian style Ahi Poke. Rice seasoning, okay, a little bit wasabi. Alright guys, let's try. A little bit wasabi here. I miss Hawaii. I miss living in Hawaii. So when we went to Hawaii, and when you go shopping at the grocery store, you will see a bunch of the different of the poke that they made. They have shoyu poke. They have all kind of different poke. So this is one of it. This is like ahi poke, just a regular one. They have all kind of different poke when you go to Hawaii. This is really good. If you like tuna, try this. You're gonna love it. You can eat with the sushi rice. Also, you can eat it without sushi rice. It's up to you. I love it. I love it either way. Cheers. the sweetness of the fish, and also, you know, a lot of people right now they're trying to use the poke sauce, poke glaze sauce, but I don't recommend to use those kind of sauce because those sauce are sugary. When you use them in your tuna, they destroy tuna flavor, and you won't taste the sweetness of tuna anymore. You only taste of the sweetness of the sauce. For this video, very short and very easy how to do the poke bowl. If you enjoy, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.